Hello, welcome back to Miss Sulis English channel. Today, I'm going to report the weather in Jakarta today, December the 6th. Why? Jakarta has strong winds for the last 3 days. The recent windy and rainy weather in Jakarta is typical during December, as it's the peak of the wet season, influenced by the monsoon winds. These winds bring moisture from the Indian and Pacific Oceans, leading to frequent rain and gusty conditions. Additionally, La Niña conditions in some years can intensify rainfall during this period, but no significant indications suggest it's currently at play. Today, Jakarta's temperature is around 28 degrees Celsius, with heavy rain and wind expected in the afternoon and evening, typical of this season. The maximum temperature may reach 34 degrees Celsius with relatively high humidity, contributing to the stormy weather patterns. Today's weather in Jakarta is marked by cloudy skies, occasional rain, and strong winds. BMKG reports that Jakarta will experience intermittent light to moderate rainfall, particularly in the afternoon and evening. These conditions are likely due to the current monsoon season and atmospheric instability influenced by regional weather patterns. See you again with another English news from me. Don't forget to bring your umbrella and raincoat.